How to redeem your debit Visa gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually redeem your debit Visa gift card, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem your debit Visa gift card, now first of all there are a couple of things that I want you to understand. So for that, open up your browser. It depends upon what kind of debit gift card you have, whether it is the one you purchased from Amazon, whether it is the one you got from some other online store, some other gift card stores or whatever else. As long as it is actually a debit Visa gift card or debit MasterCard, you can actually use it on most of the online stores if they accept a debit card as well. So basically, e-commerce stores such as Amazon or maybe eBay and many of the other online stores such as Hulu and so on actually does accept debit Visa gift cards. So depending upon where you want to use it, now this process could be different from store to store, because for this context, if I just show you on my Amazon website, right, I'll basically just go to Amazon, and depending upon what kind of gift card you have, there are different type of ways to redeem it. If you want to redeem it on Amazon, we have a different tutorial. If you want to redeem it on eBay, we have a different tutorial depending upon the gift card and depending upon the site where you want to use it. It's all actually really different, so just make sure to be aware of that. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.